Welcome to LynxPDF, your professional, secure, and efficient PDF solution made for modern teams. In this video, we'll show you how to use our OCR feature, including Page OCR, Area OCR, and Batch OCR, to streamline your PDF workflow and boost productivity. First, open LynxPDF. Click the Open PDF button in the top left corner, then choose the file you want to run OCR on and click Open. Alternatively, you can simply drag and drop your PDF file into the LynxPDF window to open it. If your file contains scanned content, you'll see a prompt at the top. This document contains scanned pages. Please use OCR to convert it to an editable file before annotating. You can click the OCR button on the right side of that message to begin OCR immediately. However, please note that this method only performs OCR on whole pages. For more control, go to the Tools tab at the top and select OCR. This will open the settings panel on the right. Here, you can choose Page to perform OCR on the entire page, or Area OCR to manually select a specific area you want to recognize. Let's start with Page OCR. First, choose the document's language from the OCR language dropdown. LynxPDF supports OCR in over 70 languages, so make sure to select the one that matches your content for the best accuracy. Next, choose which pages you want to apply OCR to. You can select current page, all pages, odd pages, even pages, or custom range. For example, if you want to run OCR on pages 3, 5 to 7, and 9, just type this into the custom range field. Once everything is set, click the Export button at the bottom right. Then choose whether to export to PDF or export to TXT. Enter your file name, select a save location, and click Save. Your OCR processed file will be saved and ready to use. Now let's look at Area OCR. You also need to select language. Then on the page, click and drag to highlight the area you want to recognize. After making your selection, click OCR and the recognized text will appear in the OCR result panel on the right. From here, you can simply click to copy the text for instant use, or you can export the result to TXT by clicking the button at the bottom right for long-term preservation. Just enter your file name, choose where to save, and click Save. If you have multiple files that you want to OCR and process them all at once, just click Batch on the toolbar. Choose OCR on the left side. Add all the files you want to OCR. Then choose Language, click Apply to choose the output format, decide where to save, and you're done. When you see the green checkmark under Status, and the output folder opens automatically, it means the Batch OCR process is complete. That's it for OCR feature. With LynxPDF, managing your documents doesn't have to be complicated, just smart and seamless. Try it out, and we'll see you in the next video.